Hello, everyone. Today I will be introducing a vocabulary for this month lessons. Remember that our topic for this month is going to be government, and we're talking about living with laws and rules. So, the vocabulary that you're going to see throughout this month, I'm going to be going over it on the screen. So, the first term that we have is group. A group is a number of people working together. Work. To use energy to do something. Project, a planned activity that has a purpose. Together, to be with one or more people. Problem, something that is hard to understand and deal with. Compromise, when people agree on a decision. Leader, a person who guides other people. Fair, something that is good and right, like pay or treatment. Law, a rule in a state or country made by leaders that people must follow. Rule, something that people can or cannot do in a place or a game. Safe, to be free from harm. Follow, to accept and obey a given direction. Research, to study and find information about something. Book, a set of written pages bonded together. Website, a set of pages on the internet with information. Video, a recording of something you can watch on a TV, phone, or computer.